So I just spent the last hour in the woods putting these tools to work, chopping, splitting and building. And I can tell you right now, these Hultafors tools are legit. Now let me break down exactly what makes these tools to work. This is the Hultafors H006 SV axe and the OK4 carbon steel knife. Wonderful fixed blade made in Sweden. The knife overall length is 21 cm or 8 inches. Blade length only 9 cm or 3.6 inches. The weight is 85 grams or 3 ounces. It's made from 3mm carbon steel, hardened to 5860 HRC. It has a rust protective coating. The blade is candy grind with nice sharpness and easy to resharpen. I can feel the handle very comfortable in the hand, and the friction grip is suitable for tough tasks. On the blade there is a scale engraved for optimizing outdoor usage. Handle material is made from super durable polypropylene. It comes in a simple sheet with a textile addition around it, which can be attached to a belt. I can remove this. It's equipped with a pocket for fire starter. There is a button clip between the plastic and the textile, and the sheet can be attached to belts with a maximum width of 8 cm. The knife is only long tang, but not a full tang, but that should handle a lot of tasks. It has a ground spine designed for starting fire with a starter. It's time for the Hultafors H006 SV tracking axe. A hand-forged axe from Swedish steel made using traditional methods since 1697. Its total length is 38 cm or 15 inches. Handle length is 32 cm. Handle thickness is between 2.5–3.5 cm. Total weight is 1 kg or 2.2 pounds. Axe head only weighs 16 grams. Axe head material is Swedish carbon steel that's shot blasted for a textured, durable surface and then cleared lacquered for corrosion protection and a clean appearance. This combination provides both attractive look and enhanced longevity. This steel is folded multiple times to increase durability. The handle is made from hickory wood treated with linseed oil. It has a curved design. Hickory wood is known for its strength and shock resistance. The axe is hand forged and each piece varies slightly due to the handcrafted nature. The heat treatment creates a clear tempered zone, which means you can sharpen this axe repeatedly without losing edge strength. It's designed to be resharpened and last for decades. Of course, it comes with a leather edge protection. This axe is built for outdoor work, forests, camping, bushcraft, even garden tasks. The users constantly says it rivals the Grand Force brook quality, but costs significantly less, and the edge that's sharp through dozens of locks without needing resharpening. The hickory handle feels great in the hand and absorbs shock better than modern synthetic materials. For maintenance, just keep the head dry and toil it occasionally, and even if it gets some surface rust, it won't affect the quality of the forging and performance. So that's the Hultafors H006 axe and OK4 knife, Swedish quality at a budget price that actually delivers. Thanks for watching, hit that like button if this was helpful, subscribe for more honest gear tests, and see you in the next one. Ciao!